Hello, guys. This is Brad. I'm a writer who wrote a book titled "Unbrokeable" series. Today, finally, all those paperbacks are released. And as always, if you go to Amazon.com and type the breadcrumb, you can see about 44 books was written by me. And when you click the Unbrokeable series, you'll see the 9 books. These are available. It's selling pretty well, actually. Also, another thing is in my library, one of the book titled "Why Are All Cars Friendly to Human?" This book is available for free for next 3 days, so feel free to download.